What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on UMA, which has had a major pump guys, over 92% up in the last 24 hours, and it is currently trading at just about $3.92. It did hit just over $4 a couple of hours ago, and it has gone for a major pump guys, going from just about $2 all the way up to nearly $4, so about 100%. So what is next for UMA? Is it going to keep pumping? Is it going to crash back down? And looking at why is it pumping so much, and also looking at, is now the time to invest into it? Is it too late? If you're on a profit, should you sell it, or should you simply hold on to it before it pumps up even higher, potentially heading to the $5 mark by the end of Jan, and essentially covering its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2024, what can we expect from UMA? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. And as you guys can see, we have officially broken out from the red zone here, which we haven't hit since about August 2022, about a year and a half now, and it has finally pumped up to that price target. However, the next target is either going to break out into the green zone or drop back down into the red zone, but we'll cover that later on in the video. So for now, let's hide this and bring up the MACD indicator to do some price prediction. So as you guys can see, we are looking at the daily chart, and we've got the purple line running across the chart here, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of UMA, which is here in purple at $2.26. However, the crypto is trading at a much higher value here in red at $3.91, meaning it is performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning an overall minimal drop in value is what I'm expecting from UMA over the next 12 to 14 hours. So essentially, towards the end of the day today, the crypto should be trading at a slightly lower value than where it is at the moment, and in fact I'm expecting it to drop down to around $3 by the end of the day. Again, doesn't mean it's going to start dropping right now. It is likely to pump up a little bit higher over the coming hours, heading over the $4 mark before it slowly starts to dip back down in value later on this afternoon, evening time, down to just about $3 is what I'm expecting. So do expect it to be quite volatile and essentially just like a wave, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side. Reason for that is it is currently overvalued due to the major pump, so it is due for it to take a little bit of a dip. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, the orange line is looking way too steep, going in a bullish direction, looking very positive. So that, first of all, is not realistic. And the blue line, we can see, was going in a bullish direction. However, it has taken a sudden sharp turn, going in a bearish direction. So over the next 7 to 8 days, so towards the end of next week, once again I'm expecting UMA to have gone for an overall drop in value. Exact same reason applies here. It is overvalued and it is due for a dip. So not only over the next couple of hours, but over the next few days, I'm expecting more red candles, and for the crypto to have dropped back down nearing $2 is where I'm expecting it to be trading at by the end of next week. So once again, doesn't mean it's going to be consistently hitting red days for the next 7-8 days. It is likely to hit the odd green day as well, but as you guys can see, the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side. So yeah, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks now we're looking way too steep. We've got both the blue and the orange line looking very bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So once again, this is not realistic. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks guys, so around mid to late March 2024, I am expecting UMA to be trading at around its current price range is what I would say, around $4. Reason for that is, once it drops back down to around $2 over the coming week or two, it should then slowly and steadily start to gain value up to around $4 by end of March, early April is where I'm expecting it to be heading to, or just above that target. And again, not just UMA, but I'm expecting majority of the cryptocurrencies out there to be pumping for potentially February, March and April, including Bitcoin. I'm expecting it to hit over $50,000 by late February, early March, which should have a positive impact on the crypto market, which of course involves UMA as well, heading back to where it is trading at the moment is what my expectations are. However, if there are any major changes to that, for example, if I'm expecting a major crash or a major bull run or anything that can have a potential impact on the value of UMA, I will let you guys know as soon as possible. So let's bring on the Fibonacci scale. So as you guys can see, we are just about trading at the resistance target here, and yes, as I expected or predicted even, I'm expecting it to drop back down into the red zone over the coming days and week as well, potentially back to where it was trading, and then slowly starting to gain value again back to where it is at the moment by the end of March and early April, and from then on it should be able to break out into the green zone in Q2 of 2024 and potentially heading to around $5-6 in the second half of the year is what my expectations are. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 2,400% in the last 24 hours, making it $352 million in trading, which is again a huge increase in trading. There's been a lot of attention around the crypto as it is one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours. So a lot more people are trading the crypto, more buyers, more sellers, and in general just a lot more traders, which is also helping the value of UMA pump up as well. But again, when a crypto is pumping like crazy like this one, make sure your risk management is on point if you guys are looking to invest into the crypto, as it is overvalued and likely to drop back down. So yeah, this is my take and my prediction on UMA. Guys, comment down below what is the highest figure you guys are expecting this crypto to hit in 2024. Let me know, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And as mentioned in the thumbnail, I am expecting it to near about $10 towards the second half of the year, potentially towards the end of the year. I am expecting UMA to be hitting the $10 mark. But if you guys want regular updates on this crypto, let me know in the comment section down below and I'll be sure to do that for you guys. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.